This is Mike plaiting his hair. No, I'm joking.
Right. Okay. Cut.
Oh, I don't understand. Action. Hang on. Go back. Right. Action. Action.
Sorry about that.
When I come up, what am I supposed to do? Just like kind of.
Action.
And it's perfect against muggers. Don't believe me? Watch this clip.
Action.
You see, all you need for everyday life in one little pack.
Let's try that again.
Are you tired?
Action. Hang on. Action.
Are you tired of not having the tools at the right time? Are you constantly getting mugged in the street? So I do the look or the voice first.
Do the look first.
And for all you
Action.
And for all you alcoholics out there, it comes with not one, but 2 bottle openers. And for the civilized alcoholic, a corkscrew.
And action.
And for the civilized alcoholic, it has a corkscrew. For the not so civilized alcoholic, it has not 1, but 2 corkscrews. Sorry. I'll try that again. Go pick up the Midnight Pocket Knife today. And if you don't, I'll cut ya!